Good morning. I'm biking in Westcliffe, Colorado. There's my bike. There's me. And there's the Custer County Courthouse, built in 1929. Very nice. This is a rural Colorado area. You got a small courthouse. There's a nice looking home. Got a car behind me. Should I go to Pueblo or Texas Creek? Which one? Oh, there's a big semi. It's a big semi. This is Tumbleweed Coffee House right here. We go this way. There is a bike lane. Actually, let me turn around. Here, show you the view of the mountains. Westcliffe, Colorado. Look at those beautiful mountains. The Sangre de Cristo Mountains. Very nice. And you know what, we're gonna go west towards those mountains. No hands on the handlebar. I got my second vaccination shot for COVID on Friday. Yesterday I was sick for most of the day. Finally, I'm feeling better after a rough 24 hours there. Wasn't too rough, but all right, I zoomed in on the mountains. Really, look at those. They're so pretty. So pretty. There's not much to say except to show you those mountains. Come visit Westcliffe. Sunflower Natural Foods. It's a nice store. This is Main Street. Main Street in Westcliffe. Now, right here I'm approaching the four-way stop intersection. We don't have any traffic lights in town. We don't have any traffic lights in the whole county, Custer County. But we do have this one four-way stop right here, where whatever direction you're coming from, you have to stop. There's 3 vehicles right there. Real pretty. Westcliffe, Colorado. Thanks for watching.